how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing video. You can see I have a pack for you guys from Amazon here. It has arrived recently, so I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. Let's see what we have inside. It's a paper pack we can tear apart directly. Now, let's take this off from here. Lovely. You can see what I have. This is Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Plus version with 8 GB of internal storage with Wi-Fi 6. Coming with remote control, you can see here. And Fire Stick itself, pack. It's fine, lovely packaging of this product here. The tag you have to take out, you see. You can use with Alexa Find, Damas, Alexa Escuche, different way. English, Spanish, different ways written. 4K Ultra Cinematic 4K streaming in different languages written. 4K HD high definition range. Quad-core processor. It has a lovely high quality processor. Personalized entertainment, TV sounded bar. Press and ask Alexa. You can talk with your remote. It comes with a mic. So remote has a mic. Okay, in this case. Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Apple TV, Spotify, Twitch, Amazon Music. You can use HDMI version, this one. More information at the down. Lovely package in this case. So I'm gonna up this one, cut here. I can take out this sticker from middle. Here we go. Fine. After that, I can take this off from here. Lovely packaging. Can drag this out this way. Okay, other way should be lovely, beautiful. Can see a pair of battery this side, so we'll go with that. Amazon battery, you can see Amazon basic alkaline battery, not rechargeable. I expected something as rechargeable, whatever. They're not so much expensive these days, but whatever. So here more things. This side, charger, lovely looking charger here, lovely European charger here. Yeah, USB port, 5 watt the charger is. Amazon logo, original Amazon charger in this case. Put one side. I have anything else here? Nothing. The TV stick, Amazon Fire Stick comes out, but we'll go to that later. We'll see what else we have. Here is the remote. We'll open this one later. Here some more cable we have here. This is main cable. You take this off from here. Don't destroy this thing, because in case if you need to replace or something, change or something, you have to have this one. You see the cable? This will go to your Fire Stick and this will go to your charger. Okay, if your TV coming with this port, so you don't need the charger. Okay, after that, here we have some manual. How this is Fire TV Stick 4K version. You have to read some literature. Okay, what else? We have some extra cable, I think, here. This one I can take this off from here. Lovely. This is some kinds of converter, HDMI here. Is also HDMI here. So if you can't connect, if you have some problem, you don't have space, so you can use this one. Put here. Here is a Fire Stick. Show you this one later. You can see Fire TV Fire Stick from Amazon. One power. Strange power. This is not C. Okay, this is not C port. I expected something as a C port. This is USB, micro USB. Interesting. Should be C port. Most of them they have C port these days. So I don't know why Amazon is still continue with this old version of port. So here one port, HDMI right in here, this side nothing. UK, this is English version I bought in Spain, so they send me English version from UK. Fire stick, Fire TV is right in. Lovely HDMI. So for this one, this should go here, this side. Connect this one as this. This one you connect if you have a USB port in your TV. You don't need adapter. If you don't have, you can use the power adapter. As this you connect here. Connect here. After that, in case if you can't connect properly, you can add this one for length. You see how it is. So here is fine. Let's go to remote control here. Lovely looking small remote. We have some sticker here, all paperwork, no plastic. You don't see any plastic. These days we take much care of environment in Europe, so everything comes in paper, no more plastic. I take this off from here. Beautiful looking remote, small one. Have some sticker. Take this off. How beautiful small remote. Lovely. The button, the power button. This is a mic button, so you can talk. Lovely advanced remote with the mic. This button 4-way. You can go any direction. Back button, home button. Yeah. See. This could be setting, volume rocker, basic button. In Xiaomi TV stick, there are less buttons than this one. They work the same. See, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, 4 button dedicated. I like this one. Apps button dedicated. You have Disney Plus, Fire stick right in. So very good. All this button is important. You can go directly to these apps without searching them in the dark. Volume mute button, this one is handy as well, plus and minus. Some other functionality behind, you see how it is the remote. Very good. Okay, you press this side, you open, you can put the battery. Strange phenomena type of battery, both will go in same direction. Interesting. You have a spring same side, normally the one side plus, one side minus. Strange. Okay, something different. Here we go. Hello. Okay, close this one. Close. Lovely. Now feel some weight. Very small the size is, and TV stick is very small as well. Show you again how it is. Very small the size. Very handy small size. I have Samsung 4K 75-inch TV here. I'm gonna connect this one for better connectivity, Bluetooth, other functionality. It's already a smart TV, so it will make my TV more smarter. So we'll go behind. Here I have Basset, Egyptian goddess. Put one side, and I will show you behind. You can see here my connector. I have 2 HDMI this side. So I put this one this way. Lovely. I have a good space. You see here how lovely here, and the power is connected. You see, can connect with the adapter power source, or you can use here in your TV USB port. So I'm using USB port here. Cable, you see how it is. You can tie them, attach someplace, so it doesn't matter. You can leave this way. So we are done here. You see how it is connected. Now we'll go to our TV. We'll hit the power button of our TV here. This is power. I'm hitting. TV is on. You see here this remote of Samsung. You have source button. Check the source. Hit this one. You see source there. You have to go inside the source. Hit enter. You see HDMI 1. HDMI 1 is our source where we connected. It will appear HDMI 1, HDMI 2 or 3, 4, whatever. Hit enter at the middle in Samsung TV or other TV remote. This one, enter. Click this one. See HDMI 1. So input is not there here. Now we come to our remote of this one. You see remote, searching remote. I hit power button. The power button on the remote of your Amazon Fire Stick. Click this one. You see this button up here, the play button. Click this one. Now language United States. I go down here, English United Kingdom. Decide the language. I click enter. So I'm using my iPhone, this one, to scan the code. Here we go, Amazon, I click. It will open my Amazon account. In this case, I have to allow and do the things on Amazon. You should have one Amazon account. You see here how it is. It's telling me to continue. I hit continue button. Next. Searching the device, it will automatically connect all. Because my phone is already connected with Wi-Fi, I hit next button. Connecting to your device. You see here the internet. I have to click my internet here. I hit continue button. In this case, it didn't detect my password, so I had to put manually. Or you can copy and paste from your Wi-Fi option from your iPhone at the top. You can go to Wi-Fi and copy and paste from there, or write manually. Hit here return button. Here you'll see continue. Hit continue. It's connecting with my Wi-Fi. Behind you can see network connection successful, device connected. I hit next button there. See download the Fire Stick app. You can download app here. I click yes. You see get Amazon Fire Stick Fire TV app. Yeah, install button. I have to allow where I am. Is done. So Fire TV I have here. For the Fire Stick, I can use this Fire TV with my Amazon account in my phone as well. It's something as a Prime. So whatever you want to watch, you click here. You don't need to go to your TV. View on TV, you see. You can watch from direct your phone. You can connect directly. Something as Netflix or Prime, you can do the same way. So you don't need to open in your TV. You can watch directly from here. Send command to your TV, to your Fire Stick. So now let's see. Fire TV is loading. In this case, they're telling me to connect with a power source, not USB source. So I can't use with USB source. I was happy with that, but doesn't matter. So I have to connect with power source. You can see here. So manually to take out from USB, because this USB not delivering enough power. Interesting. Accept term and condition. Successfully set up your remote. I hit OK button at the middle. Loading. Get started, no thanks. I hit get started. You see Disney, Movistar Plus, HBO, YouTube, whatever. You have plural services. And here you have more option. You see Vodafone TV, other option, Orange, lovely. Here at the bottom is continue. I hit this one. No choice, continue. So we are choose your skin, Amazon photo, your photo. I put stock photograph. Done. Here setup. Continue. Saving your preference. This pin, they are asking you to put a pin so you can buy or watch TV shows from Amazon Prime or other places. Okay, I'm gonna put a pin here. I hit OK button. I hit OK button again. Yeah, who's watching? I put my account here. It's done. Lovely. So beautiful. It has any smart TV. All the TV shows appear here. It's more faster though than my smart TV option. Here I can go any TV show to show you guys. You see here is working Amazon Fire Stick. Only the language you have to set up and change because this is up here in Spanish because I'm in Spain now. See how clear this one is working properly. You can go forwards, working very fast and better. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.